Hello, wonderful people on the internet. Today I'm gonna make you expert in Zoom. So be with me. Let's first install the Zoom. Here we go. So download Zoom. Wait for a while. So Zoom is downloading. I'm gonna start from initial level to start level. So be with me. So here is our Zoom is downloaded. Open the file. Okay, so our file is initializing. Here we go, our file is completed. Now I'm going to start launch the Zoom. Before launching the Zoom, we have to add the Gmail ID here, Google Gmail ID or Facebook ID, or sign with SSO. So I prefer here Google ID. Okay, so we connected here. Now you see my video. We connected. Let's explore the features. Recording the Google screen. Here you see my Google screen is recorded. You can record your YouTube screen or WhatsApp screen, whatever you like. Now let's explore the whiteboard. We can use the text here, just as I have used welcome to Zoom, tutorials, video. You are learning how to use Zoom like a pro. Okay, so you can erase the text here, you can draw the text here. This is up to you. Just as I draw the text here, welcome text. Okay, so our text is ready. You can use star stamps here. You can use spotlight here. Okay, you can use arrow here. It's up to you. Just play around with according. You can change the color of the arrow. Okay, so you can again erase all the text, all the text here. Okay, so our whiteboard is clean. You can also select features here. You can also do anything which was available in whiteboard feature. So let's explore the whiteboard feature. It's very beneficial for you. I hope you like this feature. Now let's jump to the another feature of the Zoom. Okay, now I'm choosing my virtual background. I don't like the default background here, so I like the AA1 background. Our background is downloaded. Let's wait. Background is very interesting feature in Zoom. It's attract people attention because you see in my background it's a simple pink color background, but I don't like this background, so that's why I am downloaded new background which will attract my background image. So our background is downloaded. Now you see very polished background in the back. I mean very attractive background in the back. Now you see our background is fully functional. Okay, so you can also record the screen here. Just click the join audio, but yeah. Okay, so our screen is recorded. While our screen is recording, I am just play with the background here. What its do's and what its don't. I mean, I just like the background here. I am again, you can also share screen just as iPhone, iPad screen, but you have to install the plugin here, that's why I'm not go with. You can also use OBS virtual background here, just as background image, not your live video. You can also filter the background here using settings and go to background and filter. If you want iPhone or iPad size here, then you have to fulfill the settings. Now you see public background is available here, all the people are watching me. Again I'm go to settings. You see there are different settings here. Okay, again I'm choosing my background. I have a green screen. Okay, so things are going on Zoom. You are learning the things, that's a great thing. I'm going to run the filters that I only like my do something take care background. You can use reactions here, you can use emojis here, you can chat here. Okay, so you can also invite the participants here, just as I am going to the participant, then invite, then copy link address. You can use this link whatever you want. You can send this link direct to your WhatsApp friends. You can send this link direct to any platform, just as in Messenger, in Telegram, anywhere. But preferable method is to send link via Gmail. Okay, so there are securities here. You can disable chat here, you can disable waiting room here, you can disable locked meeting here, enable or disable, it's up to you. Okay, so you see all the security settings are here. Okay, so you can enable audio here. First you have to test your audio. Yes, my audio is audible, my speaker microphone is looking good. I'm going to join with my computer audio. Now you see I'm speaking and my mic is running here. Okay, you can also add participant here, just as I previously mentioned, but now I'm going to add participant through Gmail. Means I am directly email to specific members to join me. I'm click to the email, but guys, here is a twist. Sorry for that. Here I am add some security feature here. Hide email feature is enabled because of certain security. We also have securities, that's why I'm not gonna show my email here. But don't worry, if you have any query, then you can comment below section. I will reply whenever I got time. Okay, so just as you see my email. Okay, so we're gonna end the meeting. Zoom session is over. Your video is also recorded here. Okay, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then like and subscribe.